In this video I will tell you all the details, how to add it, how to use it, what errors can be. Imagine you have a project with a video you want to use torn paper transitions. You have two ways. Open a project with transitions as a separate one and drag and drop transitions to the timeline. Then a folder with files for the transition will be created in the project with your video. Or move the transitions file inside your video project. And also add transitions with a simple drag and drop. I recommend the second method if you plan to use transitions often. In order for the transitions to be added correctly to the timeline, you need to check this block of tools. Disable. Click on the little plus. Deselect all video tracks. When you added transitions to the timeline, you made sure that they work correctly. You can't customize them. There are two layers for this: global effects and effects control. Global effects responsible for global effects on top of your video. Noise HSL adds cool noises. Posterize makes the effect of printing from the printer. RGB curves corrects the black and white point. Posterize Time makes a freeze frame. I will tell you more about this effect later. Effects Control, responsible for the parts of the image that are separated by torn paper. The number of effects can change in each transition. In this case, there are 3 of them. Tint makes a black and white effect on a part of the image. Brightness and contrast darkens. By mixing different effects, you can achieve the best result for yourself. And experienced users can add their own effects, copy masks and get unique transitions. Let's turn on this effect. Premiere Pro for freeze frame takes the first frame from your video. If you need a freeze frame at the beginning or at the end of the effect overlay, you need to create a nest. Cut the video at the beginning. Creates a nest. And everything works correctly. If the edges of the paper are not synchronized with the transformation, then you have a frame rate of 24 or 30 in the project. There is only one way to fix this. Cut the video at the beginning and end of the transition. Select the transition and the video below it. Creating a nest. Finding new sequence in the project and change the frame rate to 25 frames per second. It works. I hope my transitions will help make your videos better. Thanks.